You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
Before you sign anything in Korea's property market, the math just got a lot harder. KB Kookmin Bank capped mortgage loans at 300 million won, about $216,000, and other major banks are following. Seoul's average apartment price just topped 1.3 billion won, roughly $935,000. That means buyers now need close to 1 billion won, about $719,000, in cash just to close the gap. And a separate tax proposal could push nationwide holding taxes past 10 trillion won, about $7.2 billion, for the first time. It's Friday, July 10th. Let's look at what's happening in Korea's property market. Household loans at Korean banks jumped 7.6 trillion won last month, about $5.5 billion, to a record 1,189.4 trillion won, roughly $855 billion. Rising home and rental prices pushed both mortgage demand and loan sizes higher at the same time. KB Kookmin's cap prompted Shinhan and Woori to also restrict mortgage guarantee insurance, tightening borrowing limits further. Here's what the numbers show. Shinhan Bank scrapped new mortgage guarantee insurance enrollments starting today, cutting effective loan limits by about 50 million won, or $36,000. Seoul apartment prices climbed 0.30% this week, up from 0.27% the week before, even in districts already under land transaction permit rules. Suwon's Yeongtong district jumped 1.19% this week, nearly 3 times last week's 0.41% gain. The proposed fair market value ratio hike to 80% would lift nationwide holding taxes to 10.07 trillion won, about $7.2 billion, a 15.7% jump, effective from this year's tax revision, if adopted. Seoul's own holding tax bill would climb to 5.47 trillion won, about $3.9 billion, under that same scenario. Financial regulators plan additional curbs on non-resident single homeowners by the end of this month. So what does this mean for buyers weighing a purchase this year? Earlier, we said buyers now need close to 1 billion won in cash. Here's what that actually means for your timeline. Tighter mortgage caps and higher holding tax bills are pushing hesitant buyers toward cheaper satellite areas like Suwon and Namyeongju, where prices are rising fastest. If you're financing a purchase in Seoul, recalculate your loan limit now. Bank caps are moving before this month's regulatory update lands. That's today's AI Prism, Real Estate. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.